Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia and I sell real estate in Jamaica. I also do construction, guys. Yes, this is my favorite part of it. So, managed to line out this building here. Remember I showed you earlier about where your foundation is and where your wall is, right? So we have managed to dig out. We use a tractor. I use a tractor. I mean, it is just so much more efficient. If I was using manpower, I wouldn't reach this far, and I'm hoping to complete this foundation today. As you can see, some of the men are now leveling it off, right? So the tractor dig it to the 3 feet that I need, and they're leveling it off, right? But okay, so sometimes things will go smooth and sometimes it won't. So this line has not been done as yet, and this one here, but we have noticed something. We have a pipe running through this foundation. See the pipe there? And for some strange reason it's going all the way across through the foundation. So I've got to figure out what type of pipe this is. You don't want these things in your foundation, right? Because when them rotten and all hell pop loose. So, you know, it rotten and then it leave a gap and then the floor sink or your foundation sink or something just sink on you. So I have to try and figure out where that pipe is coming from and get rid of it. Actually, we found another one. See, it's sticking up right there. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is what your foundation will look like when you start your building. Remember, you can give me a call if you want us to do a construction project. Sorry about that. If you want us to do a construction project for you. See, the tractor way more efficient than if I had some men here digging today. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, you can follow me on this one. Thank you so much. Remember, 876-292 876 876. Tell me now that I have to say 876, and you know I don't get used to it yet. 876-292 6776, guys. That's the number. Alright, remember the website claudiadavis.info. We also have another company that actually does the construction. It's called JobWork Partners Limited. So JobWork Partners Limited will also be putting up its own YouTube channel as well, so you can follow us on that, and that will have the construction, the renovation, and all things building. All right, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.